Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are going to show you how to properly remove a hot tub. So here's the hot tub, and as you can see, it's got electricity running right through there. So the first thing we're going to want to do, and this one actually has its own breaker box. So as you can see, it says on and off. We got it turned off. So that's the first thing you want to do. If it's connected to the main breaker box, you need to find that breaker and shut it off. Very important. All right, so originally I was gonna take this Sawzall and just cut this wire and cap it off. But since it's connected to the breaker, we are going to just disconnect it from the breaker. We took the little plastic covering off. And now, so what you wanna do is get your electrical tester and you just test. See, this one's live right there. That one's live, but this one's not, and this one's not. So now we're gonna disconnect it. All right guys, so this one wire was still live and that was going to the main breaker. So we went inside and turned off that, and now all of them are not live. And so I'm gonna disconnect this breaker and then we're gonna get the hot tub out of here. So you definitely wanna check the wires, because that's a lot of volts that you're gonna get hit with if you cut through one of those wires and it's live. So Rocky's disconnecting the electricity from the actual pump there, the wires, and now we're gonna try to lift this whole hot tub up. We're gonna roll them onto these and then roll them right onto our truck.
All right. The rest of us hanging.
All the cockroaches living under here. Letting all that water spill out of there.
Go ahead, put one towards the back. Hold on there. Put one over by my feet. Yep. Keep going.
Keep going. Okay. You're good.
Easy peasy. See those little PVC pipes makes it super easy to roll. We got it on there, now we need to strap the heck out of it. All right guys, as you can see behind me, the hot tub's loaded up and we're gonna take it to the dump. So just, you know, the three things to remember: make sure the electricity's turned off, make sure you have things to roll the hot tub on, it makes it a lot easier, and then make sure you strap it down. I'm actually gonna do another video where we cut up hot tubs, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in case you don't have a situation like this where it's easy to just throw onto a truck. So if you like videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you guys soon.